What's up, YouTube? So, back in the garage, and I did use the Raptor liner stuff today. It's pretty easy to use. I guess if you're mixing all of it, use the cup. I mean, all of it at once. If not, you fill to the bottle line here with the hardener. Is this stuff? So it's hardener. Pretty simple. Shake the piss out of it for 2 minutes. Connect it to your gun and spray. So the gun, since we're on that subject, so here's the gun. That's the siphon tube, and there's a little nozzle. Does not come with the little regulator needed for the gun or the fitting for your air compressor. So gun included, extras not included. So all this stuff here was not included. Yes, I know the filter's missing. I broke it. I do have another one. And yeah. So I had a little left in the can. So for shits and giggles, I took care of the really rusty spot. Can I turn the light on? Of course not. And then that side a little bit too. And then for fun, threw primer everywhere and rust converter, because this car is rusty, especially in this area in the crevice there. So I think it looks pretty good. One color. I spray it white, probably with the rest of the car, or just do black, you know. Maybe buy some rubberized coating. So let's go under the car and see how good that looks. So weird, I had to back in and out of the app to turn on the flashlight. So here's our bed liner. Sorry for the poor lighting, I guess. Is the camera on? Yeah, the light's on the camera. So it's all done. I don't know if that helps you see the frame rails a little better or not. There we go. Let's see how far we can slide under here. So I stopped about there and worked my way all the way down and about so yeah. Maybe some sound deadening, but definitely rock chip and anything else. And then I'm pretty sure, I really want to be a monster about it, I can spray rubberized undercoating. So I went up to there, the front, you can totally tell the difference. You know, just because the exhaust, I was a little meh about it. But once again, there we go. Let's go to the back side. So I sprayed a little in the wheel well where my welds burned through. And then like areas like this, I have rust. And not so much here. But yeah. Well done. Reminds me, I should probably peel the tape off. Let's see if this tape does come off. Easy enough. It's still kind of sticky. Alright. So I don't want to have a hard time trying to put the threads on, so other tape over the threads and on the bracket surface, because I didn't want it all wibble wobbly, as they say, I guess. Yeah, it's like watching paint dry, I know. But let go. And hurrah. So I did actually tape off the nuts and bolts. I did get in every little nook and cranny, or did I? Oh man, missed a little spot, no big deal. But yeah, looks pretty snazzy. So the only downfall is I didn't put plastic down. So now I have a million of these little Raptor thingamajiggies all over my floor. So I'm going to let it dry off, get a floor scraper, and take care of it. So do I like the product? Yeah, it went on pretty easy. I'm glad I had the spare parts to finish the whole gun. Should be dry in 72 hours before it can see water. Assembly of the gun is really easy. And honestly, it's screw this tube onto the bottom there. Then there's a nozzle that's somewhere in this box. And there's your nozzle. That's it. Done. So you could Raptor line anything. I'm not sponsored by any of these guys, but I use this stuff to clean the gun. I'll probably end up using it to clean my hands because, like a dumbass, I got it on me. But, you know, hey, garage life, right? So the floor, oh, here, let me show you. So how do I know this stuff really scrapes off? Because just rubbing my foot on it, I made this pile already. So that's the little Raptor stuff. And then, of course, to clean off any overspray, I used this. And I was going to do the inside of the car fully. I still got a bottle left, but I think I am just going to leave it alone and then just try to do sound deadener over it. I did spray, you know, the self-etching primer over it. Maybe I'll buy some cheap paint, or cheap, like, two-part paint that actually hardens, and then do that. Or maybe I will use it. I was kind of hoping to save this last bottle and do the bumpers and maybe the grill, since the paint on those is coming off. You can see the chrome through it. Like I said, when I complained about the shop who did this car for whoever customer, I don't know what that guy's budget was, but I'm sure it looked really good. But seeing it being posted for, was it 15 or 18 grand? I'm like, But the car was so low you can't get under it. But anyways, thanks for watching, subscribing. Yeah, take care, peace out.